Are you looking for the top 5 best budget camping tents under $100? Which camping tent is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Coleman Sundome Tent. First up is the Coleman Sundome Tent, priced at $87.99. What caught my eye was its solid reputation and impressive features for the price. If you want a reliable shelter that can handle some weather, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. The Coleman Sundome has a strong frame that can withstand winds over 35 miles per hour, which is crucial for those unexpected storms during your camping trip. Plus, with dimensions of 9 by 7 feet, it comfortably accommodates up to 4 people, giving you and your friends plenty of room. The included rainfly offers extra protection, and the large windows with ground vents ensure great ventilation to keep you cool during the warmer nights. An e-port is also handy for bringing electrical power inside, which is just great for charging your gadgets. This tent has been bought over 2,000 times in the past month, showing that people trust it. Now, some people complained about the tent being a bit heavier at 9.1 pounds. Here's the thing though, if you're car camping, that weight isn't a deal breaker. It's a trade-off for the durability and space you get, but if you're backpacking, you might want something lighter. This is perfect for you if you're car camping with friends or family. Skip this one if you need something ultra-light for long hikes. Still, for the price, it's a solid choice for a sturdy camping tent. Now, if that weight bothered you, this next one takes a...
Product number 2, Wakeman 2-Person Tent.
Next, we have the Wakeman 2-Person Camping Tent, which is priced at just $25.75. Honestly, the price caught my attention, but it's the lightweight design that makes it appealing. If you're looking for something easy to carry for a quick getaway, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. Weighing only 3.35 pounds, it's incredibly portable, making it perfect for backpacking or music festivals. It features fiberglass poles and a removable rainfly, so you're protected against unexpected downpours. The dual-layer door offers both ventilation and privacy, which is a nice touch when you're out in the wild. With dimensions of 77 by 57 inches, there's enough space for 2 adults to sleep comfortably. This tent has also seen over 2,000 purchases recently, indicating it's a popular choice. Now, some reviews mentioned issues with durability over time. Here's the thing though. At this price point, it's not designed for extreme conditions. If you're just looking for a casual camping experience, it should serve you just fine. This is perfect for you if you're heading to a festival or a quick weekend trip. Skip this one if you expect harsh weather, as it may not hold up long term. For the price,
Product number 3, UNP 2-to-4-Person Tent. Next up is the UNP 2-to-4-Person Camping Tent, priced at $39.99. I was impressed by its spacious design and affordability. If you want a tent that gives you a little more room without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Why this product solves your problem. This tent is 7 feet long and 5 feet wide, with a height of 45 inches, providing ample space for 2 adults or even a full air mattress. It's lightweight at just 4.8 pounds, which makes it easy to carry for any outdoor adventure. The waterproof design features a removable rainfly and tear-resistant polyester, so you can trust it to keep you dry. The quick setup time of just 3 minutes is a huge plus, especially when you're eager to get settled in. Recently, it's been bought over 1,000 times, showcasing its popularity. Now, some users pointed out that it might feel a bit cramped for 4 people. Here's the thing though, it's perfect for 2, and that's what I'd recommend using it for. If you're just looking for extra room, you might want to consider a larger option. This is perfect for you if you're a couple or solo camper looking for extra space. Skip this if you need to fit more than 2 adults comfortably. For the price, the space and features make it a great value. Now, if you liked the features of this one but want something even more waterproof, the next tent is a fantastic option.
Product number 4, Kloss Nature 2-Person Tent. Next, we have the Kloss Nature 2-Person Tent, priced at $38.99. This one caught my attention because of its waterproof capabilities and ease of setup. If you want a tent that keeps you dry and is quick to pitch, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. This tent has a waterproof rating with PU 2000 coatings, meaning you can camp in various weather conditions without worry. The dimensions are spacious enough at 7'3" by 4'11" by 3'10", allowing 2 people to sleep comfortably. It also features a mesh design that enhances ventilation, which is great to avoid condensation. The setup is incredibly simple and can be done in under 5 minutes, making it perfect for those who don't want to waste time at the campsite. With 700 plus purchases lately, it's definitely gaining traction. Now, some people mention that the poles feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, as long as you're not in super strong winds, it should hold up fine. It's designed for casual camping, not extreme conditions. This is perfect for you if you're backpacking and want something lightweight and waterproof. Skip this one if you're planning on camping in stormy weather. It provides great value for its price and feature.
Product number 5, UNP 2-Person Dome Tent. Last on our list is another great option from UNP, the 2-Person Dome Tent, also priced at $39.99. What intrigued me here is its design and setup simplicity. If you want a quick setup tent that packs well, this is worth a serious look. Why this product solves your problem? This tent measures 7 feet long and 5 feet wide, providing enough space for 2 adults. It's lightweight, at just 4.8 pounds, making it easy to carry on hikes. The windproof and rainproof material ensures you stay dry, and the skylight net allows for breathability while enjoying the outdoors. The setup is quick, taking about 3 minutes, which is a major bonus when you're eager to hit the trails. It's also been bought over 1,000 times recently, showing it's popular among campers. Now, some users pointed out the lack of storage pockets for gear. Here's the thing though, you can always use a small backpack or bag inside the tent for your essentials. It's a small trade-off for the low price and ease of use. This is perfect for you if you love camping lightweight and need a quick setup tent. Skip this one if you have a lot of gear to store inside, as it may not provide enough space for that. For the money, it's a solid.
To wrap it up, you've got a range of options here. The Coleman Sundome offers durability and space, perfect for family camping. The Wakeman tent is lightweight for festivals, while the Untents provide great features for the price. Lastly, Close Nature and the other Untent give you waterproof reliability. No matter your style, there's a budget-friendly tent here for you.